Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we're going to show you how to install NotepadQQ. So to start off, launch a terminal window. Now there are quite a few ways you can install this program. In this video we're going to cover the Snap version because the Snap version is pretty universal, pretty easy to get. To find it, let me maximize my terminal here. We're going to first do snap search NotepadQQ. Should take a couple of seconds to search. Once we've found it, we see this is the package name and this is what we need. So we do sudo snap install NotepadQQ. Enter the password. Wait a couple of seconds for everything to download. There is some prerequisites that need to be met to get the thing to work. It's going to mount and set it up for us, as you see. Now we can look for NotepadQQ in our app menu, and we can launch it like so. It should take, it won't launch instantly. The first time you run a snap and install snap, it takes a bit to show up, but it will open. So once the app is open, we can see we have NotepadQQ. We can use it to do all of our programming and our editing, and it looks just like Notepad++. And if we do the about, we can see this is version 1.4.8, and we see the GitHub information as well as the website and license. So this is how you get NotepadQQ working. It's a great alternative if you're coming from Windows and you use Notepad++ and you can't find it. This is just as good. It has arguably the same features, and it's a really, really nice program. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.